Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you exactly how I signed 6 clients in 9 days while, of course, charging high ticket prices for my services. So how exactly I was able to generate traffic into my offer? Because basically you have to somehow generate attention. Like the marketing of the offer is more important than the offer itself. So all you just really have to do is just focusing on correct market approach, just messaging your offer in a correct way. How you can do this? Through the content on different social platforms, because like there is no point in just posting either just purely on IG, purely on YouTube. You have to mix both. Use X, use Facebook, use LinkedIn, use as many social platforms as possible just to make sure that you will build this ecosystem that will basically pre-nurture, pre-sell, and convert everyone. So you just have to somehow generate attention. Generating attention is a 6-figure skill set. Being able to convert the attention is 7-figure skill set. So to convert the attention, you need the ability to basically keep the attention in your ecosystem. What's the best way actually to generate attention in the first place? Through the short form. Short form will make sure that you will basically target more broad audience and it will generate 80% of all the attention. But long form here, even though it is generating only 20% of the attention, it will actually build trust. It will actually show that the value you are providing is absolutely mind blowing. Because, guys, no one will ever pay you 7K, 8K, even 5K through just purely short form content. Actually, long form content will show specifically that you're an individual whose solution is working perfectly fine, that can completely change life. So in the long form, just focus on providing value, solve problems, share the best exact solutions to the deepest, darkest problems your ICP is facing. Just solve problems, give the solutions, provide with the value. And because of that, you will build trust. They will actually see your face. They will hear your voice. And this is all both major and minor components on actually getting ability to convert the attention. It's all about building trust. And then how to exactly monetize attention, because in the first step, we are generating attention. We are getting views here, long form, short form. Then mainly using long form, we are building trust. So we are somehow converting attention, but also right now we have to monetize the attention. How to get it done exactly? You can just either do call to action on YouTube. For example, if you want to join my one-on-one mentorship, just book a meeting in the description and there will be a calendar link in the description. You can also do calendar link as a pinned comment in the comment section. You can also, for example, drive the traffic into the Instagram, because guess what? Instagram nowadays is the best platform actually to make mind-blowing amount of money without much input that you have to basically take every single day. Because once you actually show social proof, and you will actually put it in the highlighted stories. Another one social proof. Another one social proof. You have optimized bio. You have great posts. You are just posting reels. Then your profile is optimized. So once you actually lay the foundation, once you actually take ensure that everything here is optimized and that every single time someone enters your Instagram page, they can see your optimized bio. Client results here, client results here, client results here. You are positioning yourself in a certain way because of the posts you are creating, you're posting every single day. And it also allows you to basically nurture them on the IG. That's why you can just, for example, call to action on YouTube, calendar link, book a meeting here, or just go check out my IG. If you have more questions, you can drop me a DM. And here, after they will, for example, leave you a follow here, just make sure that your setters will send them a DM after some time, just to basically make sure that it will keep them in our ecosystem, that will keep their attention. So for example, when someone will give you a follow today on the first day, setters have to make sure, I did like to basically like my setters to send the DM to them after 14 days after basically giving a follow to my account. That's why exactly you also need some CRMs where you can perfectly keep your followers, leads, hot leads, warm leads in one single place, organized. So you know exactly when you engaged, when you sent calendar link, How many follow-ups have you sent already? You have to track data. You need to keep them in the CRM. So actually you can milk up everyone, and just purely because of the fact that I'm sending follow-ups, my revenue increased by 12% every single month, just purely because I'm sending not one message, but at least 3 messages to every single guys from cold outreach. Then also, very best way to actually monetize attention is just purely by story sequences. I've recorded a specific video about story sequences, but just here to summarize, you have to make sure to trigger emotions. Mainly FOMO, so fear of missing out. You just have to show client success stories, show the results. What are you doing? Build urgency so they will actually after you, giving call to action at the end. For example, drop me a DM 2025 and I will send you 30-minute breakdown video showing you exactly how to build a dual channel acquisition system engine that will give you clients consistently. You just have to make sure that you will do call to action at the end, but actually in the beginning. Make sure that I will elevate the problem, that you will make sure to address every single pain point possible to build FOMO, to build urgency, to show them that everyone around is winning. And because of this fact, you will elevate this pain. And last but not least, how you can also monetize attention on Instagram is just by purely call to action in bio. If you want to scale past 50K a month using sales, acquisition, conversion, fulfillment, service delivery, mastering both front end and the back end of your business, drop me a DM info. Of course, you want to make it shorter, but also call to action in bio on Instagram. These are the main 3 ways that allows you to monetize the cold traffic that is entering your social profiles. If you're running ads, then it's different. Then you can potentially get them into the VSL. But also, if you're running follower ads, then also you're just increasing the amount of followers. And then you just have to make sure that setters will actually do the outreach to every single individual after they will leave you a follow-up. And it is all basically generating appointments, having meetings. Without the meetings, you are not a business owner. Without the cash flow, without the team members, without the proper system, infrastructure, it is just a glorified hobby. You're not a business owner. Right now, I am in Greece and I am making money on autopilot. That's the point you want to basically get your business. So that's the way to organically get meetings. It's just by purely content. But guys, also as you can see, here it is potentially more long-term goal, basically to post content, because with the content, one of your videos might go viral, like your first video, and then you will get 5 clients, but you can be posting for weeks, months without any clients. So that's also, you have to make sure to do outreach to get in front of the eyeballs of your clients. Let's just say you're doing outreach on Instagram. I've also recorded a specifically video about scripts, either in direct way of booking meetings, Just make sure that you will watch this video, and let's just say on Instagram, you're actually hitting KPI. So let's just say positive reply rate, at least I would say 10% if you want to scale it up, booking rate, at least 1% from cold DMs. That's why also you have to make sure that your lead quality is great, that your profiles are optimized. You have to make sure without sending any DMs to optimize your profiles that you are doing outreach from. Then you actually have the ability to buy more accounts, more agent accounts, different proxies, and scale it up to 400 DMs every single day. Let's just say then booking rate 1%, you have 4 qualified meetings every single day. Show up rate, sure, 50%. Just on the low end, you have 2 meetings every single day because you are sending outreach. So once you will actually combine both outreach and content, and also content will nurture and pre-sell and qualify everyone you're doing outreach to. That's why you have to make sure to actually dial in both outbound and inbound dual channel acquisition engine, because that's the only way to actually milk up everyone and monetize as much attention as possible. If you would be just sending purely outreach, you won't get crazy results. If you'll be doing purely content, in the beginning, you can just do it for few months and also not get much clients. But here, guys, as you can see, we got the meetings. We don't get money yet. That's why you have to actually have great framework. You want to actually elevate the pain. You don't want just to pitch them. If you like, right now, 99% of agency owners have I know it's pretty mind blowing, but sub 20% closing rate. You won't be guys ever able to scale past 50K a month if you only have the ability to close 1 out of 5 meetings you have. So make sure that you will actually learn how to sell, but you also You don't want to do hard selling. I prefer to basically just show them my solutions, my content, elevate the pain, go into the desired goal. Just truly make sure in the beginning, before like I'm even pitching anyone, I just have to make sure that I can actually help them. If they're not a fit for me, I am telling, listen, dude, you are not a fit for me. I can't help you, sorry. If you are fit for me, then I am presenting my solution with the confidence. I am confident about my solution because I know it is working. Because in the last 30 days, I've made 50K. I have tens of clients, everyone is winning. So it is my ethical obligation to basically get you on board because I know then I will actually change your life in a positive trajectory once you will actually hop on board with me. And also, your offer has to be dialed in. Without correct offer, without potential in the beginning, if you don't have much social proof, online presence, you want to basically have some great guarantee. Later, you don't even need guarantee because you don't want people to actually hop on board with you because of your guarantee, but because they trust your solution, because they trust you as an individual. People buy from people. So I don't want you to buy from me because I have guarantee that I will refund you everything. I want you to buy from me because you can actually see that I have mind-blowing amount of value, that you've already pre-sold yourself my content, and then I want you to actually hop on board with me, pay me cash, ideally PIF, and then after working with me one-on-one, you'll be actually at least 30K a month. My client Leonard went from zero, complete zero, to 28K in the first 30 days. So if you also want to be in one of these testimonials, just drop me a DM on IG or schedule anything in the description. And that's exactly, if you will combine both great framework, your confidence, great offer, social proof, online presence, it is not possible not to make money, not to close PIFs, not to get clients. And that's exactly how I was able to sign 6 high ticket clients in the last 9 days. Exact guys blueprint. That's why I don't want you to watch any other video, because if you will actually focus on the outreach, whether it is cold calling, whether it is cold DMs, cold emails, whatever it is, just combine outreach and content, and I can guarantee you, you will be getting these payments every single day, without any exception. I am aware that this video was very valuable, and if you have any questions, just drop me DM on IG. If you want to know exactly how I'm helping coaches, agency owners, consultants scale past 50K a month in less than 4 months, you can book a meeting with me in the description. I will just show you. You don't even have to bring your card. I would just like to show you how I am doing it exactly, and then it is up to you whether you would like to work with me or not. If not, just make sure that you will actually watch my free value, because with my just free value, I am getting messages that people are making 10K per month. And once you actually dial in your business, life is great. Right now, I'm in Greece. Soon I'm traveling either to Switzerland to ski, then Cape Town, Dubai. Just guys, put the hours, and when it rains, it actually is pouring. Appreciate your time here today, and see you next time. So peace.